Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Are you fine? Oh, yeah, that's good. Now, here you can see in front of you the Marigold book of Standard 3rd. It is a textbook, and today we are gonna do some exercises on in your textbook. So, first you have to open. So, kindly open page number 13 and let's see what exercise we are gonna do. Students, you can see on page number 13 it is exercise. It is written let's write. So we have to write, but what we have to write, that first have to see कि क्या बोला गया हमें. Okay, what they have told you to write down. So first they have told that listen to the sounds of the birds, make a list of these words. List बनाना है. So first is already given by their side. Now another two we will make. सो आपको क्या करना है, बर्ड्स के साउंड आपको पहले आना चाहिए, नहीं तो फिर आपको सुनने चाहिए. आपको क्या बोला है, लिसन मीन्स सुनो, बर्ड्स के साउंड सुनो और लिखो. एक दिया है चिर्प चिर्प चिर्प. ओके, दूसरे दो आपको बनाना है, मीन्स हमें बनाना है. सो आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग यू, हैव यू एवर लिसन द साउंड ऑफ अ बर्ड विच यू ऑलरेडी नो, जो आपको पता ही हो, अभी भी पता हो कैसे साउंड्स होते हैं. मुझे पता है. चलो, shall we write? Yeah, so let's start. जैसे चिर्प 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 है, वैसे मैना भी बोलती है कू कू कू. Yes, this is the sound of a मैना. I hope that you all have listened. And another sound which a cock or a hen utters, it's cook-a-doo-coo, right? So you can write cook do coo. These two sounds which I have written. Okay, see properly what the spellings I have written. K double O, K double O, K double O, then K double O K, cook, D double O do, and K double O, cook do cook, right? These are the two sounds which I have written for you students. Now next exercise, here it is written, now write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. ये आपको words दिए गए, okay? They have given the words and that you have to use. ये आपको यूज करना है और स्मॉल सेंटेंस बनाना है. ओके, जो बर्ड्स करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट दिया है नेस्ट, तो हम बनाएंगे. क्या बनाएंगे, चलो. बर्ड्स लिव इन द नेस्ट. ओके, देखो मैंने ये नेस्ट यूज किया, उसके लिए अंडरलाइन कर दो, क्योंकि वी हैव ऑलरेडी यूज द वर्ड विच इज गिवन इन द ब्रैकेट. सो नेस्ट हमने यूज कर लिया, बर्ड्स लिव इन द नेस्ट. ओके, एक बन गया. नाउ सेकेंड क्या दिया है, वाटर. ओके, सो विल मीन बर्ड्स ड्रिंक वाटर एज वी ड्रिंक वाटर, बर्ड्स ऑल्सो ड्रिंक वाटर. ओके, सो दूसरा भी हमने यूज कर लिया, अंडरलाइन करो, वाटर एंड फुल स्टॉप. देन थर्ड नंबर व्हाट इज गिवन, चिप. ओके, so you can write birds chirp in the morning. Birds chirping करते हैं ना मॉर्निंग में. Okay, when you wake up in the morning, you can listen the sounds of a birds. It's the sound of chirping. It's the sound of a birds. Now fourth, chirp, underline chirp, then fly. So you can write down birds fly in the sky. Here I have used both the word fly and sky. Okay, birds fly in the sky. मैंने दोनों words use कर लिया. देखो, birds fly in the sky. Okay, and last क्या दिया गया है, wings. So we will use the word wings. Okay, and we will make sentence like birds fly with the help of wings. पंख कैसे उड़ते हैं, पंख के बिना थोड़ी कोई उड़ सकता है. बर्ड्स उड़ सकते हैं पंख के बिना नहीं. सो वी विल राइट डाउन बर्ड्स फ्लाई विद द हेल्प ऑफ विंग्स. इजी. सो सी अगेन, बर्ड्स लिव इन द नेस्ट, अंडरलाइन नेस्ट. Birds drink water, birds chirp in the morning, birds fly in the sky, and last, birds fly with the help of wings. All the words which are they have given, we have used all the words. Okay. Now this is the next exercise, page number 14 of your textbook, and what we have to write? We have to write some rhyme words. Here they have told you, write words that rhyme with the words given below. One is given for you, grow, to know and throw. Okay, when you sound it, when you speak it, okay, it sounds similar, and this is called the rhyme word. जब हम बोलते हैं ये दोनों का साउंड कैसे आता है, जो गिवन वर्ड जैसा, मीन्स ग्रो जैसा, ग्रो, नो, थ्रो, द साउंड looks like a similar. Okay, when you sound it, when you speak it, okay, the sounds are similar. So we have to make some words. First is given day, so the sound, the similar sound is given bay. Another one we have to make. So day, bay, I will make, I'm writing here, you also write say. Day, bay, say, the similar sound, it is called the rhyming words. Second is given think, so I will write down think, so you will write down sink. See the similar sound you can make. Okay, here in front of you, this is the sound think, I have written sink. Another you can write down pink, P-I-N-K, pink, similar sound. Now third, funny, so you can write down sunny. Okay, and you can write down money, you can write down anything that that is attached with the similar sound, right? Then eat, so you can write down sit, S-E-A-T, sit. Then neat, okay, neat means we can say neat and clean, okay, sharp suthra. Sing, to sing you can write down thing, and the king. Okay, see, these are the similar sounds which I have written for you. Think, sing, pink, day, bay, say, funny, shunny, money, it, shit, knit, sing, think, king. These are the exercises which we have already done. 3 exercises we have done. Okay, that you have already seen, and I hope that you all have understood this. Okay, take care, bye bye.